Maats, vandag gaan ons leer in Engels hoe om ons liggaam gesond te hou. Today we're going to learn how to live healthy. Kom ons kyk wat ons moet doen om gesond te kan lewe. Let us see what we need to stay healthy. Drink water. Eat your vegetables. Drink milk. Eat fruit. Brush your teeth. Wash and comb your hair. Eat fish. Wash your body. Wash hands before you eat. Exercise. Relax. Get enough sleep. Ek hoop julle het nou mooi geleer hoe om gesond te lewe. I hope you've learned how to look after your body. Now let us go through everything again. Kom ons kyk weer wat het ons vandag geleer. Ek gaan elke sin lees en jy gaan herhaal na my. Get enough sleep. Drink milk. Eat fish. Eat fruit. Wash and comb your hair. Wash your body. Wash hands before you eat. Brush your teeth. Eat vegetables. Relax. Exercise. Drink water. Well done everybody, now we know how to take care of ourselves. Nou weet ons hoe om na onsself te kyk. Volgende keer gaan ons oor iets anders leer. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time everybody, take care and please be safe.